Welcome once again to my channel. Star Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome. And to my old and new subscribers, God richly bless you for being with me. Yes, guys, those stopping by for the first time, you are highly welcome to Star Skincare channel. Here we talk about skincare, everything concerning skincare, and we are here to empower the youth. We are here to do it by yourself. So you can do it and do it better. Okay, guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own strong whitening soap. I said what? Strong whitening soap. Yeah, so guys, let's get back to my workstation and make this together. Remember, this video is a tutorial video. Please take your pen and your paper or your book and write everything. Yes, we are here to empower the youth and we are here to help each other. So guys, let's go. Let me mention the ingredient to you so that you can do it by yourself. Yes, it's very, very effective and it's work like magic too. So let's go and watch this video. So guys, let's start to make our soap. I'm using my K-Brother carrot soap. This soap is a fading soap. Yes, it fades out acne, dark spots, pimples. So please, I'm using 2 pieces of it. 2 pieces of my K-Brother soap. You can also get in the papaya one, but I'm using the carrot one. It's the same thing. If you get 1 papaya, 1 carrot, is the same thing. And I'm using my carrot soap. This soap is not common. Yes, I'm using 2 of it. 2. It contains carrot. It tones the skin, it glows the skin, and it brightens the skin. So I love it, and I'm using 2 of it. 2 of my carrot soap. Yes. And my next ingredient will be my carrot white soap. Almighty carrot white soap. It brightens the skin, lightens the skin, and also whitens the skin. When you use it continuously, you get that whitish tone. So guys, I'm using 2 of it. All my soap, 2 each. Not using it for once and expect miracles to happen. No, it doesn't work that way. Please, if you are using any product, use it continuously for the effectiveness of it. If it is giving you problem, then you stop using it. Okay, so carrot white soap is very, very nice soap. So I'm using 2 of it. And I'm also going to use my Kojic white soap. It contains papaya. Yes, I'm using 2 of it, but if you get 1, it's okay. My papaya soap too, my Likey's soap, please. Likey's papaya soap, I'm using 1. I'm using 1, only 1 of my Likey's papaya soap. I'm using 1. And my Nano extra white soap, I'm using 2. Please, I'm using 2 of it. Yes, this Nano extra white soap glows the skin, tone the skin, brightens the skin. Continuously usage, then you get what you want. Please don't use it once and expect miracles. Every day I've been telling you guys, don't use it once, use it continuously. I'm also going to use my orange peel powder. Orange peel powder, I'm using 2 tablespoons of it. 2 tablespoons of my orange peel powder. Yes, orange peel powder tones the skin, brightens the skin, and also clears skin problems. So it's very, very nice. I'm also going to use my kojic acid dipalmitate or kojic acid. Yes, kojic acid dipalmitate. I'm using 2 tablespoons of it. 2 tablespoons of my kojic acid dipalmitate. And I'm using my Betasol. Betasol is a lotion. Yes, it's very, very nice. It whitens. I'm using 1 bottle. 1 full bottle. I'm using my citroclear serum. Citroclear serum, I'm using 1 bottle. I'm using my Shenek Perfect Leg. Perfect Leg, sorry, guys. Shalom Stretch Mask Oil, I'm using half of it. Half of it. And I'm also going to use my honey. Honey, you can use 100 ml, 50 ml, 200 ml, depending on your own satisfaction. Yes, honey glows the skin, it moisturizes the skin. So I'm using some. And I'm also going to use my carrot white oil. Carrot white oil also lightens the skin. I'm using 1 full bottle. 1 bottle of it. I'm also going to use my Labijanis treatment oil. This one is a treatment oil. So I'm going to use half of my bottle. Half of my bottle. Then I will be using my vitamin E oil. 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. Then I will be using my carrot white shower gel. You can decide to use the Carol White shower gel or any shower gel of your choice. Any whitening shower gel of your choice. Glutathione Comprime shower gel is there. Gluta-C is also there. Any shower gel of your choice, you can use it. And I'm also going to use my stretch firming water. This one is for stretch mask. Yes, stretch firming water. It contains aloe vera. Yes, so I'm going to use the cap too. Only the cap of it, two of it. Okay. Yes, I'll be using my Shenik for green vein stretch mask. I'll be using 3 tablespoons of my Shenik perfect leg. 3 tablespoons of my perfect leg. Please use it, okay? It's very, very nice. 3 tablespoons. And I'll use my soap activator to activate this soap to make it more effective. Yes, I'll be using 200 ml. Yes, 200 ml of it. I'll be using it and I'll soak the soap, add the powders and soak it there for 3 days time. Then 3 days time, you just mash it. Please make sure to mash it very well. You can decide to add in your turmeric oil or turmeric powder. Yes, I added in 2 tablespoons of my turmeric powder for also glowing, for clearing pimples, acne, dark spots. Yes, so you can also decide to add in. Then you mash the soap. Please mash the soap. For me, I melted mine, but you just mash, put it there, soak it there for 3 days. Then you mash it after the 3 days, please. Yes, see how our soap look like. So yummy, so creamy, and it's very, very good. It will whiten you, clear dark spots, clear acne, all the blemishes. It will clear it up. Okay, then you put it there and you add in your preservative. Please don't forget your preservative. Add in your preservative for longer period. I added in 2 tablespoons of my preservative. 2 tablespoons of my preservative. But I use the liquid soap preservative. I use the liquid soaps preservative one. So you can use any preservative of your choice. Jama Plus, Ultifying One, any of it. Please use it, okay? But I use the liquid soap one. So I use 2 tablespoons of it. Then I mash it. Look at how our soap look like. Yes, you use this soap on your wet skin for 15 minutes. Then you take your bath. And I bet you for 2 weeks, you come back and testify. We have also some at the store there. So you can also contact us and get yours. It's very, very cheap, affordable, and you can also get yours and buy. Yes, please. Place it there for some time because for mine, it was hot. Yes, so I'll place it there for a day. Then I'll stir it and you know how it will become. It will become too thick, too creamy, and also too yummy. So I'm going to cover mine for 24. Look at how it looks like. So yummy, so thick. Yes, guys. Let me show you how to use this soap. Before you want to use this soap, wet your skin. Please make sure to wet your skin very well. Wet it out. After wetting your skin, then you scoop out this soap a little bit on your palm and you rub it, okay, on your skin. Rub it on your skin. Waited for 20 minutes. Okay, at least 20 minutes is okay. Then you go and take your bath. For 2 weeks, you come and testify with it. We have also some there. Yes, we have some. So you can also contact us and get yours. It's so cheap. You can buy it out and sell it out. Okay, yes. Rebranding is also accepted. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and turn your notification bell. See you.